Home Remedies presents How to make apple cider vinegar at home from scraps. Yes, you can actually make apple cider vinegar at home. I know it sounds super wild, but it's honestly a piece of cake. I have been making my own apple cider vinegar for almost 3 years now, and I decided to share the recipe with you all as well. You can use chunks of apples or just stick to using peels and cores to do the job. This way, you have virtually no waste. It is also totally possible to make apple cider vinegar from the whole apple, so don't worry if you don't have leftover peels and cores from anything. If you only occasionally use apples, you can store the peels and cores in the freezer until you have enough gathered to start a batch. Organic apples are ideal for apple cider vinegar, especially if you will be using the peel. If you cannot find organic apples, peel them first, discard the peel and just use the inside portion. Ingredients: a quart-sized jar, 2 cups of organic apple peels and cores. If you are using whole apples, roughly chop them up before you put them in the jar. 1 tablespoon of raw honey or 1 tablespoon of sugar, optional. 3 cups of filtered water, cheesecloth, rubber band. Procedure: fill the jar 3/4 full with apple scraps or apple pieces. Dissolve the honey or sugar in a cup of water and pour it over the apples along with additional filtered water to ensure that the apples are completely submerged in it. Cover the jar with cheesecloth and secure with a rubber band. Let the jar sit in a dark place for about 3 to 4 weeks. Stir it occasionally and make sure that the apple pieces are submerged. After 3 to 4 weeks, strain out the apple pieces and compost. Recover and put the jar back in a dark spot for another 3 to 4 weeks, stirring every few days. When the ACV has reached the tartness you like, it's ready to use. Tips: the recipe is to make a quart-size jar of apple cider vinegar. For larger quantities, just make sure to fill 3/4 of the jar with apples and that they are covered with sugar water. To speed up the process, you can save the mother that has floated to the top or just a small quantity of the finished ACV to start a new batch that will ferment more quickly. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.